everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a review on this beautiful Coach pillow Tabby 18. So as you guys can see, this one is made up of calf leather and this beautiful gold metallic. Wow, it's so beautiful, so shiny, really soft, very soft and pillowy. And yeah, this is the size 18. It is the smallest one among the tabbies, and love the detail of it. This is the metallic gold and then the gold hardware. And inside, this one has a magnetic closure, which I love, and it has 1, 2 compartments, large compartment on the inside. And this one actually has a flat pocket right here where you could put a credit card. So I've used this several times and I love it. And yeah, I will be just showing you what fits on this and also the wear and tear. So far, this one is holding up pretty well. I didn't see like scratches at all because as you guys can see right there, it's like the pebbled right there. It's really hard to see among the scratches on the crease right here, so you're not going to be able to see those. But I think the only issues, I guess, for this piece in the long run, I think it would have been the fading though. So if you use this quite a lot, you might see some fading on the corners. But love this piece. I mean, this one is also available with the other color as well, which is a metallic silver. It is very interesting. That's because that piece, the hardware for that is the metallic, no, the hardware for that, it is in gold. So it is a metallic silver with the gold hardware. I find it so cute, and it's actually very interesting. So maybe I should take a trip to a Coach store one of these days just to see it. And I also would like to see the tabby, the regular size tabby pillow, and the red color, in the apple red color. So I wanted to see those. The red color is stunning on the website when you look at the stock photos, but I'm not sure in person though, so I wanted to see it. So anyway, so far the buckle right here, it's actually holding up pretty well. So anyway, let's see what fits on this beauty. So first we needed a phone. So I have the largest size of an iPhone from Apple. So this one actually fits perfectly right here in front, right there, with no problems at all. So you could just take it out, put it back in without any issues at all, because this one is actually lined with this really soft leather. So yeah, it just slides in nicely. So what else do we need? We need a card holder. So this is my Coach card holder, and I love this so much. I love those beautiful lovely colors on this. This could hold 6 cards, and also right here in the middle, but I don't really use the one in the middle. So yeah, this is just to give you an idea. So maybe I could put, no, usually I put it at the back right there. It actually fits nicely. And also, what else do we need? We have a key holder right here. This is from Louis Vuitton, and this is a 4-key holder, and it is really this is very slim, so I like that. So maybe we could put that one right here. It actually fits perfectly right in this corner, or maybe I could put it on the, yeah, it actually fits nicely on this side right there. And then we still have a little room left right here. So if you want to take your lipstick, so I have a Dior full size lipstick right here. yeah, this one fits perfectly on the side. Maybe two if you wanted to bring two, but in my case I would just bring one. And next I have a perfume here from Louis Vuitton. Maybe you could put right here on top, right here. So I think it fits. So yeah, basically this is on the really smaller side of the purse, and you could just, yeah, bring your phone, card holders, and yeah, that's what I've got right here. So just pretty much, so this is just to give you a little bit of an idea what fits in here. Let me close it. Okay, it seems that, yeah, it actually closed nicely. So because the material is made up of calf leather, it is flexible. So yeah, so it is a little bit tight, but I kind of like it though. It gives the purse more structure, because this purse, when it's empty, it's like it wouldn't stand on its own. But once you stuffed it in, look at that. It could stand on its own. It's compact. I really love it. This is perfect for any occasion. This purse is actually gorgeous. And on top of that, I tend to use this with my chain strap. And then this chain strap actually just changed the entire look of this purse. And I love this so much. And that's how it looks with this beautiful chain strap. Look at that. Very shiny. And then I usually just carry this in my shoulder, and I just carry it by hand, the top handle right there. And it is stunning. She is so beautiful with this combination, guys. I would highly recommend, if you have one of these, to get the chain, because just the chain actually made a lot of difference though. It is so cute, just like that. If you want to just carry it on as a clutch and let the chain strap hanging just like this, it looks gorgeous. I love the look of it. But yeah, you also have an option to use it as a crossbody or just the top handle itself, but I don't use the crossbody for this piece. I just love it to carry it on my shoulder with this beautiful strap, like just like that. So yeah, you could just lay it right this. Yeah, when it is full, it actually stands it on its own. So it's so beautiful. I just totally fell in love with this pillow, Tabby, especially the lovely color, the metallic. And I'm not sure with the silver though. I'm not 100% sure. I am not convinced yet if I will be adding it in my collection, for the reason that it is actually the interior. It's actually very limited though. You could not fit a lot inside. But regardless, this is such a beautiful and stunning piece. It's holding up pretty nicely. I love the leather, the quality, and the price also. This one is priced as $395 US. That's before tax. It looks luxurious, feels luxurious, made up of a really high quality materials. And yeah, I think for $395 US, it's worth it. I know that Coach will have a 25% discount from time to time, but I think these are just one of the pieces that actually they never added any discount at all, because it is a popular piece. So anyway, that's it, my review on this beautiful pillow, Tabby size 18. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.